Black. That's the package that you came in. African, Ethiopian, Nubian, melanin. Baby, that's your brown skin. You should let me drown in. Let me hold you down in. Hey.
Hi you guys, so today I will be doing an unboxing, and before I get started, look at this little pop and curl styled wash and go. And the product I used was from Pressy G. She has a new product in the works, and you know, she reached out and asked me to test it out, and I sure did, and 11 results. So stay tuned for that product release. And second, this little, it's not a top, it's actually a dress, which I'll insert so you can see the full dress. I had custom made, and I will definitely put the link below. I had it made in Nigeria by a woman named Lola. So if you guys are not picking up the pattern so far, hair product, outfit, both black owned business products. I have these beautiful earrings. Let's see, I don't know if it's gonna be backwards, whatever. Let's see, I hope it's not backwards. Melanin Goddess is also from a black owned company. Oh my goodness, I am beating myself up right now because I totally forgot the name of the company. It was literally like a one of these tables at a pop-up shop. I went to a pop-up shop and, you know, met the owner in person, and, you know, she was showing me her collections, and I immediately fell in love with these earrings. I'm going to unbox different products that I received from black owned businesses, and that is what I'm going to be doing until, I don't know. So let's get started to see what little gifts that I have to be unboxing. I have a total of 2 boxes in a package that I will be opening up with you guys today. See. And the first one is, by the way, I purchased these products with my own money, so definitely giving back to the community. And let's get started. The first one that I have is from Mimi Black, Style Maven. And what I ordered from this brand, it's a little, I opened it the wrong way. Ooh, this is so cute. Look at this packaging, you guys. Oh my gosh. Don't slip. Look at this. Oops. How? I'm just spilling everything everywhere. But, oh, my goodness. I'm making a mess. Okay. So first thing first is when I opened it, I'm going to try to hold it away where I'm not messing up everything. First thing first is that I see an envelope with thank you on it. That is so awesome. And the theme is black with a touch of yellow, which I am loving. But look at this. I feel like I'm really opening up a gift. How cute. And look at my card. And look at all of this. It's so pretty. Okay. So let me remove these little, I forgot what you call them. But let me remove some of these little crimplies and get my gift, well, my product. I purchased a shirt. So Mimi Black is a Nigerian owned business, and the t-shirt, as you can see, ooh, this is so cute. Okay, I'm all over the place. Okay. Give me a moment. This is so cute. I love it. Okay, So it's Mimi Black is a Nigerian owned business, and what the owner creates are t-shirts with different Yoruba terms on there. So yeah, I'm loving my t-shirt. So the t-shirt that I selected was Yimu. Yimu is more of an expression. Like if someone is, they're giving you complete BS and they're trying to tell you a story that is like, yeah, okay. The reaction to Yimu would be, y'all know what that is. When someone's telling you complete BS, or if they are acting all, oh my gosh, you look at them like, enough said. And I liked it because in the Haitian culture, when someone is acting too bougie, or oh my goodness, I can't crack an egg, we have another expression. I don't even know if there's a name for it, but we just do. So when I saw Yimu, I'm like, oh, that. Listen, black people tend to talk more with their face than actual words. So I was like, ah. So instead of, you can, that too. And if you're Haitian, you already know that's the famous way that our parents point to every item. That's not pointing, but in their mind it is. So I loved it. Because people love saying BS. And every time they're giving their BS stories, I just look at them like, keep it trucking. So this is my Yimu. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay. I can be calm now. Ooh, and how cute is that? They also they also have the name on the back, see? By Mimi Black. So this is so cute. I love my shirt. So y'all know one of these upcoming videos is gonna have this shirt on. Gotta represent. Okay. I can be calm now. It was my first unboxing, and let me tell you guys, out of this video that I'm gonna do, and I haven't opened anything else, like any of these yet, so don't mind me and my reaction because it's very genuine. Okay, so next one. Wait, before we move on to the next one, let me see what my thank you card says. This is so cute. So I get it. The theme is black and yellow. Okay, so I got my thank you card. This is a package. I came across this company that is Haitian owned, who creates or write history books about the history of Haiti. Most of the stories on Haitian independence and how it came about are from, generation and generation of storytelling, not actually written down in books. So whatever I know is from what my family shared with me on this is the history of Haiti, this is how we got our independence, and this is how we remained, independent and all of that good stuff. So I wanted a book. I wanted something to give me more because I was fascinated with the history of my family, my family's culture, my culture. And that's exactly what I did. I found a brand. I was so excited, like when I saw they had books, I said, oh my goodness, I have to have this in my small library collection. Personally, it's very small. So I purchased 3 books, and definitely I'll put the link below where I got my books from. I'm so excited. Okay. The first book that I got is The Sheroes of the Haitian Revolution. Right over here. The author is Bayina Bello and illustrated by Kervin Andre. So that's the first book that I got. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to read this book. Okay. The second one that I got is Haiti, the First Black Republic by France Delinocourt Jr. So I'm excited about this. Oh, and I'm sorry, illustrated by Eminence System. And the third book that I got, there was actually 4 books I wanted, but the other one was sold out. The third book that I got is Boukman and Cécile Fatima, Black Revolution. Many know, but for those who don't know, that Black culture is very spiritual, and Haitians are Black, African descent, and spiritual as well. So, I really want to know about the spiritual realm, like the belief and the system and everything that they had before Christianity in Haiti. So, and no, Christianity was not the first religion in African culture, period. Christianity was not the first religion. It was introduced later on. I mean, Islam was introduced in African culture before Christianity. So, yes. These are the 3 books that I got. I am so excited. Oh my goodness, I didn't even say who the author is on the Boukman and Cécile Fatima Black Revolution book. The book was written by France Delinocourt. Oh my goodness, this last name is giving me trouble. I'm not a fake Haitian. This one is just very unfamiliar. Cover art by Caravine André, illustrated by Eminence System. So it's 3 people who put together for this book to, you know, for the written part and the illustration. So I'm excited to read these 3 books. Like, yeah. Let me find out about my people and why we so daggone proud. If you don't know proud people, meet Haitians. Pride is literally beaten into us as children. I'm not saying, like, metaphorically. Sinti wan lamudo. Sapat. Boteto, Zoclo, name it. The last box that I have is from Curlbox, and I know what brand I selected. I don't know what products are inside of the box for this time around, because this is a specialty box from Curlbox, not your regular subscription. And the brand that I chose, Black owned, of course, and it's from Kaleidoscope. Time to open this thing up. Okay, so see my box. Unopened, untouched. It's from Curlbox once again. Like I said, this is you can do the Curlbox subscription, which is $25 a month, and you get 5 full products from 5 full-size products from different brands. Like I said, this one is not the regular subscription. This was a specialty box, which was $45, I believe, and it was from Kaleidoscope. So, it's kind of hard opening it, you know, the other way. So, let me see. Don't fight with me. Okay. So, if you guys don't know, the CEO, the owner of Kaleidoscope, look at this beauty right here. When I say gorgeous Black woman, gorgeous. So, her name is Judy. Okay, so first thing first is, ooh, okay. It's going to be hard for me to hold up the box, but let me give you guys a little glimpse. I got 5 full-size products. Whoop. Look at this, look at this. And if you got anyone who ever purchased from the Kaleidoscope brand, you know that their stuff is pricey. So I was so happy to find a specialty box of anything of her brand. I don't know what it was, but I know the little drops alone are expensive but it's worth it. You know, a lot of good reviews on it, so I'm happy. So the first thing I'm picking up is the Infused with Miracle Drops Miracle Edges. So I believe it's an edge control. Bring those stubborn edges back. So take a look. Yes. Let me open it up to see how it looks. Ooh, this is so cute. I like the packaging. It's so nice and clear and clean. Look at this. So this is from Kaleidoscope, the edge control. Let me open it up. It smells sweet. I like it. See, it's nice and clear. The next, I'm just happy. I'm just happy because you're not guaranteed on what 5 products you get from the line, but look at what I got. Look at what I got. I've been dying to try these Miracle Drops for so long because I hear so much good reviews about it. And I just wanted to try it because, I mean, why not? The next thing that I got, ooh, okay, so this is the Milkshake Infused with Coconut Milk Leave-In Detangler Spray. Yes. I love anything that has detangler or whatever in it because I'm not patient enough to detangle my hair. So any extra help is great for me. Next is the Kaleidoscope Moisture Soap Shampoo and Growth System. Oh, this whole line is all about growing your hair. Okay. All right. This is also a deep hydration for damaged hair. So this is pretty cool. And the last product that I have is the Moisture Silk Conditioner and Growth System. Improve moisture absorption and retention. So that's what I have. I gotta say, I love the bottles. I love it. It's just so chic and dainty and easy to hold. I like the fact that you could, you know, squirt into your hand, even though these squirt tops could be a little tricky. If they break, then you just gotta open the whole bottle. So they're very cute and chic, and just love the packaging. And this is so cute to just spray the leave-in conditioner. I'm excited about my oil, and I don't use edge control. I'll be flat out honest with you guys. I do not use edge control. I will try it, but I probably will give it away as I do with most of my edge controls. Almost all of my edge controls I give away because water and gel works perfect for me. So these are my goodies. And that's it for today, you guys. I did my unboxing with Black owned brands only. I mean, I have no problem against other brands, but right now is my people I want to highlight. I'm going to represent my people. I'm going to help my people grow because you guys already know Black Lives Matter. All lives, you know, people say all lives matter. Okay. But right now, the ones that are suffering are the Black lives. So, let's grow. All right, community? Let's grow. Let's grow. Let's grow. Let's grow. Black lives matter. Black lives matter. Thank you guys, and stay tuned because I do have to do some trials with some of these Black-owned hair products. So stay tuned.